little bit of work on the Jeep today. I took the top off because, come on, it's September. And I don't have to move till end of September, so this is the best time of year. Anyway, I'm pulling off the old crappy lug nuts and putting the new ones on along with the locks. So that's all I'm really doing today. Yesterday I changed out the throttle position sensor. And I got a bunch of other sensors coming too. I'll eventually end up pulling the throttle body off and just cleaning it good and changing all those sensors. But that's about it for now. And I get this one going and then have some lunch. Welcome back, everyone. We interrupt this regularly scheduled program of doing Jeep upgrades to show you this inflated air topper. Check these things out online. I mean, they drive ATVs on them. They're very durable. I'm gonna pull it out and inflate it, and then I'll show more. But gotta get it through the garage. I'm trying to move, and someone's coming to pick up this fridge today. Thank God I have my trusty Harbor Freight dolly. That doesn't want to roll over that rug. And anyway, all I got to do is take this off. There's a clip there and a clamp there and a clamp there. And then I'm gonna put this thing over here, inflate it, and put it on. Because I'm a little old man. I don't want to lift a topper on and off a truck. Because honestly, then you have to either hoist it to the ceiling, which I've done before with Blazer tops, with CJ7 tops, JKU tops. Anyway, I'm done with that crap. So I'm gonna put this on and we'll be back. Okay, I got some stuff unpacked. This is a window. Maybe, I gotta set these out in the sun. Side window, back window, I can't remember. It's hard to get these open when they say do not get a razor blade anywhere near here, except their tape's like made of Kevlar. I can't break it. Yeah, shit. This must be the, there we go. This must be the two side windows. Everything like velcros and zips in. It's pretty cool. It's all sticking to my bed rug here. All right, well, I'm gonna throw these out in the sun. Check on Reggie the Wonder Dog. Reg, where are you, buddy? Should probably put these over in the grass. Dog will pee on them. So this came right in the middle of me doing the lug nuts on the Jeep. So I think maybe I'll do the back tomorrow. I got the two front done. Jeez, yeah, these really need to chill out a bit. A little bit. Well, no, the windows I'm just getting them stretched out.
It's all Velcro?
They Velcro in, yeah.
So if you have something in the back of the truck, it's
Not as secure as a regular top, no. It's just like having a soft top on a Jeep. But I can lock up my toolbox and stuff. Yeah, my wife's always the sensible one. She's right. I mean, this isn't theft proof. Like I said, it's just like having a soft top on your Jeep. Somebody wants in, they're going to get in. But I guess that's true of anything. Even a fiberglass topper. I mean, glass breaks. I guess this is the pump that you blow it up with. You can also get an electric version on the Flated web page. I think Amazon has one for less. And because apparently this is a standard for like rafts and inflatable stuff. I'm gonna get this on, get that out of the bag. Nobody wants to watch me struggle with that. I'll lay it out and I'll start pumping it up. Okay, I got two sides blown up. working on the roof. I don't know if I'll deflate this thing much, maybe for the winter. Maybe I'll leave it on the truck for the winter. It said they do fine in the winter. It doesn't crack or split. So that's, I'm not even to 4 pounds yet. I'm doing just over 4 to what I guess is like 5. I don't know if I need to read that. It does start getting harder to pump when it gets more full. That almost to 4 pounds. Some people said don't inflate it all the way. Get it on your truck, get the windows and shit in, and then go for it. So that's right at 4. Yeah, it's getting a lot harder to pump. Okay, twist that out, put that back in. Jesus, that's a workout. All right, I'll be back when it's pumped. I got one more side. Okay, so it's mostly inflated. Man, that thing's sturdy. You can stand on it. Like I said, go to the Flated webpage and watch some of the videos. Guy drops stuff from a backhoe on it. But I'll tell you, on the roof, it's got all these hooks to tie more stuff down. You can even put their storage container on it. I was thinking, man, even if you did want to not inflate it, it'd be so easy to just hoist this up in your garage. Okay, I'm gonna get the bubble wrap off, throw it back up on the top, then I'll be back. Okay, Ziggy, stop. Don't want to infringe on copyright. Okay, well, it's up there. I need to back it out in the sun and let some of the wrinkles come out. Plus, I'm only at 4 pounds. I do need to cinch it on, but I don't know. I gotta put the back window in before I do that. So I'm gonna go see if those windows, yeah, here's your rain fly. All this will come out as it sits in the sun. I mean, it's been in a box since it was made. And people were putting some insulation around there. They were seeing gaps. That could fit a little better, but again, it's all so stiff right now. Need to get it in the sun. I'm gonna go get the keys and back it out, and then start putting the windows in. So you cinch it down here to here, the front to there, front. I could have swore there was a place in the middle too. Maybe it's those D-rings. I may go watch the instruction video again, because these, that doesn't really tell you anything. But they do have a very detailed instruction video on their webpage. Yeah, I'm a little high in the corners there, but again, if I can cinch it down, I'll put my toolbox back up there and cinch it down to my toolbox since I don't have a tie down. Anyway, more to follow. I like it though. I think it looks cool. I think my truck's cool enough to pull it off. I almost got the one that was roof height, but I thought, I'm getting this for storage. I might as well have the extra height. I'm glad I did. It's just like a Jeep truck. Ugly. If you lift it, put big tires on it, all of a sudden it's so ugly it's badass. That's what I'm thinking. That's a look for I'm going for here. Anyway, let me know in the comments if I missed it or nailed it. Okay, well, it's on. I just flipped the truck around so that this would get some sun and stretch out. It's all strapped down. Windows are all in. I lost my brake light now. I'm gonna have to get a third brake light on the back somewhere. But at least I didn't lose my camera. I guess some trucks have the camera up there, so you put this on and you lose your backup camera. I think I may actually, it says the strap-on Velcro, that needs to come way down. I need to adjust that. See, this one was in the sun, it smoothed out better. I don't know. For what it's for, I'm pretty happy with it. For the fact that I just want to be able to put a shell on and have it on, go on easily and protect my stuff. That's pretty cool. So next time I will do some more Jeep stuff, but for now, thanks for watching. Dad's Garage is out.